In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to your Weebly website. Creating categories can truly help organize your site's content, making it easier for visitors to navigate and find exactly what they're looking for. Now let's dive right in and smoothly walk you through the process. First, head over to the Weebly site editor. Once you're there, you'll be looking at the main dashboard, which is your workspace for customizing and maintaining your website. You'll find a variety of options here, but what we're interested in today is setting up categories for your content. So locate the categories feature on your screen. This is typically found in the sidebar or as a draggable element that you can add to your pages. Now that you've located the categories feature, go ahead and drag it to the desired spot on your site. This step allows you to start organizing your content by specific themes or topics, making it much easier for your visitors to browse through your offerings efficiently. Once you have categories placed on your site, you'll see an option that says click to select categories. You'll want to give that a click. This action opens up a new menu where you can see both existing categories and the opportunity to create new ones. Since our focus is on adding categories, click on the Add Categories button. Upon clicking Add Categories, you'll be prompted to enter category details. This is where you'll define what each new category is about. You'll want to provide clear and comprehensive details here to ensure that visitors understand what type of content resides under each category. Keep your category titles descriptive but succinct. Next, it's time to add items to your categories. These items might be blog posts, articles, images, or products, depending on the nature of your website. Organize them accordingly under the appropriate categories to enhance user experience. Additionally, consider adding a category image. This visual representation can significantly aid site navigation, offering an immediate context for your users to access relevant content visually. Ensure these images are relevant and appealing. After that, you will have the chance to choose layout options for your categories. This step allows you to customize the appearance of how your categories are displayed. Play around with different styles to see what aligns best with your site's overall aesthetic and functionality. Don't forget to optimize your categories for search engines. Adding SEO tags and descriptions ensures that search engines can understand and categorize the content of your page effectively, giving you better visibility and potentially driving more traffic to your site. Once you've completed all these steps, take a moment to review your work. Make sure everything looks good and functions smoothly. Finally, click on the Save button to store all these changes, and there you have it. A well-organized, category-rich Weebly website ready to provide your visitors with a great browsing experience.